but you better promise me I'll be back in time.
Love him!
I didn't figure I was like,
I don't know if we have a guy.
there's Henry looking at. Okay. Henry, what are you looking at?
So, right, you're gonna see him walk through the door of the cafeteria, then what we'll do is we'll kind of split the shot, and make the shot kind of total. Alright, so maybe this will be the...
I wish I could give it 10 stars.
So maybe...
How do I do it?
Figure out, you know...
Love him.
Get the shots in.
Oh, I love him in this movie. I thought he was the best. We cannot let something like this die off. We must remake it, and it must be better. Work hard, play hard. I'll make it better. The click remote will not die. This better work. I need this. I really need this. I love Adam Sandler. Oh. This better work. Okay. What's going on? I don't know. You tell me. Where am I?
Northborough High School.
What year is it?
1995. What is that?
It worked. It's my universal remote.
Universal what?
My universal remote. What year is it?
1995.
So the Red Sox haven't won the World Series yet?
No!
Are you sure it's 1995?
Yes, it's 1995.
Who's president right now?
Clinton. Yeah.
Bill Clinton?
Yes!
Where's Barack Obama?
Are you insane?
Well, at least climate change hasn't taken effect yet.
What's that? What?
Climate change, you know, climate change.
Hey,
No, I knew NSYNC song.
And what is that?
Oh my god!
I think O.J. Simpson actually did it.
I'm from 2016, I know he did it. He wrote a book about it.
But that Kardashian lawyer's so good.
Dude, he wrote a book on how he killed her.
Wait, did you say 2016?
Yes, I'm from 2016.
But the world's supposed to end in 2000.
No, wait, just forget it.
555.